Hello everybody. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but as you can see, my headlights are fogged over, and not only that, I guess moisture is getting in there somehow, which I'll have to figure out how to get that moisture out. But we're going to attempt to try to clean up this fogged up glass here using this cheap Colgate baking soda and peroxide toothpaste and scouring pad. So I'm just going to try putting some on here, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, I've got the toothpaste all over it, and we're just going to start rubbing, and we'll see what happens. See if there's an improvement or not. If there is, this is a cheap $1 fix. If not, oh well. Alright. Continue to scrub. Scrub, 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 scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Alright. Alright. Now that I've scrubbed it like crazy, I guess what we're going to do is just try rinsing it off with water here. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, let me get the water and we'll see what happens. Alright, I got the water, and I'm going to try rinsing it off. And actually it looks, it does look a little bit clear. It looks quite a bit clear. Try scrubbing some more here. Okay, rinse this bad boy off. Wow, it is quite a bit clearer. Just need to figure out how to get rid of the moisture that's on the inside, because you can see there's water condensation inside there. So I'll need to air it out somehow. Let's look at this side. This is really bad. So we're going to try the same on this side and see what happens. I'm going to start by putting some toothpaste along here. Lots of toothpaste. This stuff was cheap. I got it from the Dollar Tree for only $1 for the whole tube here. So we got the toothpaste there. Start scrubbing. Again we scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Now they charge like $20 to $50 to clean your headlights, or you can buy really expensive restoration kits. But I thought I'd go ahead and try this toothpaste trick here, and it actually looked like it worked. So rub, rub, rub. I'm actually pushing down kind of hard, but not like super hard, but kind of go in a circular motion here. Make sure I hit all the edges, and we're gonna rinse it off here in a minute. See what happens. Okay. Okay. That's about it. And get this water to flow. So we got toothpaste here. Woohoo! And it's actually very clear. Wow, $1 solution to cleaning up your headlight lens.